taking this back piece off the bolt in there. And another one just there, which are a nightmare to get at, but undoing the oil filter and dropping it down a bit has definitely helped with getting that one there. We'll see how we go with the bottom one. Hard to get at bolt, and with that oil filter off and down, you can get down. There it is there. Get a ratchet onto it and get your arm down in here and got him off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Not fun. Not fun, but doable. I had to take the muffler pipe off and the muffler cage protector. Now that I've got at it, it seems that doesn't do anything other than rattle around at the moment. If anyone knows what that is, on a 13.5 horsepower XR Briggs & Stratton, I'd love to know.